Hello, and my name is Barry Shrier. I'm the founder and chief executive of Giant Health. Giant is an acronym. It stands for Global Innovation and New Technology. We've been going for 7 years, and we're an international community of nearly 200,000 people, everybody around the world whose business is healthcare, technology, and innovation. We are massively inspired by all of the entrepreneurial spirit and energy that we discover in the healthcare sector. And what we're trying to encourage are businesses to talk directly to hospitals and doctors and other people working in the healthcare sector to identify what the problems are, rather than to find engineers who are inventing new solutions which don't necessarily map to healthcare problems. So one of the most inspiring things for us is the democratization of healthcare. The fact that right now, for example, in the developing world, village healthcare workers can consult apps on their smartphone in their own local language, which enable them to deliver healthcare services without having access to extremely expensive, very well-trained senior clinicians that you would have in the developed world. And so there's an amazing amount of opportunity in, like I said, health equality. And that's one of the most inspiring things for us regarding opportunities and developments in innovation and how that can be driven and accelerated to improve the health of people around the world. And we've been running our annual event, the Giant Health event, in London. The Financial Times newspaper refers to it as Europe's largest, most valuable healthcare tech event. And we got to be so large that by 2019 we had to rent an entire football stadium to run the event. However, then we engaged in an initial collaboration with HNC at Alderhay Hospital here in Liverpool, and we started building up that partnership, and he introduced us to a lot of other people, Liverpool City Council, Science Dewsbury, Knowledge Quarter, Invest Liverpool, and we've discovered a whole thriving community of passionate entrepreneurs and people working in the local economy, which are very enthusiastic about making this a world-class center for healthcare and tech innovation. So we're working right now on growing our collaboration with Alderhay Hospital and the value that we have achieved from the partnership with Liverpool City Council. And we would really encourage any startups from quite literally anywhere around the world to consider very seriously setting up in Liverpool. It's a great place to do business, and we're getting a vibe from everybody in the business community, which is quite unique from all of our international experience. We've had substantial positive experiences with the entire business and political and medical community in Greater Liverpool. For example, we've been sponsored by Growth Platform from the Liverpool City Council, Science Dewsbury, Knowledge Quarter, Liverpool Investment Platform, and the local AHSN, Innovation Agency Liverpool. And so there's such a strong, cohesive, large economy and political and economic and scientific community that are all coming together. So we've got a great vibe from everybody here, and we're very proud to have those partnerships. And we're glad that we chose to have day one of European Health Tech Innovation Week today in Liverpool. Giant Health has been going for 7 years, and we're coming up to our big annual event, which this year is 30th of November, 1st of December. Like I said before, the BBC refers to it as a magnet for innovation. Financial Times refers to it as Europe's largest, most valuable annual healthcare event. We're very proud of some of the big international sponsors that we have supporting us. Our knowledge partner, McKinsey Health, our business partner, Vodafone Business, Barclays Bank International, and a lot of other big sponsors like that. So we're successfully growing every year. As a business, we've quite literally doubled our revenue in the past year. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to increase the engagement that we can provide to all of our stakeholders, helping startups to meet investors more successfully, helping established SMEs with their fundraising, helping hospitals figure out how to engage with the tech innovation community. So that's what we do. We love it, and we're very proud of all the collaborators that we have, and we aim to do a lot more of that more successfully this year. We have a 10-year growth strategy revolving around continuing to expand the services we provide to the international healthcare community. There's no end to innovation, and what we've realized with the pandemic, which of course is a terrible, tragic crisis for the entire all citizens around the world, what we've learned is that you can successfully accelerate the adoption of new technologies if there's a will. So of course, for example, you could have had a telephone conversation with your doctor anytime in the past 25 years, but only because of the pandemic is the concept of telemedicine and teleconsultations with your doctor really coming home to become mainstream. So it's a great example. So we're very passionate about the opportunity to continue to innovate, to bring innovators together from around the world, and to deliver the services that we do to a larger community. For example, we haven't even begun to do business in China, and so that's a third of the population in that region of the world. Great opportunities, likewise in Africa, likewise in South America. So lots of exciting, substantial expansion plans, which helps us to serve our global partners, the big global pharma, medtech hardware, medtech software businesses, and so that's part of the plan. For me personally, it's about, once again, the democratization of healthcare. We don't want people to be without healthcare services anywhere in the world. So wherever there's a smartphone, wherever there's satellite internet connection, in the smallest, most remote villages, they should have quality access to health services and expertise and diagnosis and treatment, just like we have in the developed world. So this is a big ambition for us, the impact that we can make.